perished. Lift your hands and thank God for your salvation. When peace like a river attendeth my way, gentlemen. Come on, Bruce, Cheryl. It's all yours, Micah.
When storms like the sea billow,
Whatever, Micah.
whatever thou hast taught me to say,
It is well with my soul.
it is well with my soul.
Let him know. Tell him.
Oh Lord, haste the day when our faith shall be set. The sky be worn back as a scroll. The trump shall resound, and the Lord shall descend. Praise the Lord. It is well with my soul. It is
God's people said a mighty amen. Micah, you stand right here with me. I'm not done with you. All of you remain standing. All you precious saints, go back to your seats rejoicing. Come on. Go back to your seats. God bless all of you. Remain standing, please. Remain standing. Oh, this is awesome. God bless you. God bless you. Just go to your seats. God bless you. Go to your seats. Go to your seats. Go to your seats, please. And Mike, I'm going to have you minister the second they get back to their seats. They're all yours. While they go back, would you mind? It reaches to the highest mountains and flow to the lowest valley.
Yeah, hi guys, Holy Lessons coming at you. Beautiful week with two amazing hymns coming your way. So the first hymn is It Is Well, and the second hymn is The Blood, okay, When Peace Like a River. So we'll basically start off as we did. So I'll basically go through the thing about hymns is it's basically the same progressions for the verses and the choruses. Okay, so we'll go through the verses and then we go to the choruses, okay, from there. So when peace, so the whole idea about hymns is to keep it as pure as possible. So no funny nuances, but of course we would introduce some things to spice up things while remaining the integrity of the hymn as well. Okay, so as was performed in the video, when peace like a river attended my way. Okay? Okay? Whatever it is well, it is well with my soul. And basically that's the whole verse. As simple as that. So